What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. On this video, I wanted to share with you one of our channel and inside the analytics, so you can see how much we actually made on the particular channel. We have actually abandoned this channel, so we're not uploading on this channel. That's the reason I'm just showing you this channel, and we were able to blow up this channel very fast, okay, within a very short amount of time, because of the strategy that we actually used to be able to blow up this channel very fast. And with our very first video, we started getting traction, and this is exactly how we actually getting results. And we actually use the same methods across all our channels that we start, right? First video, second, third video, we should be able to start getting traction, because here's the thing: YouTube automation channels that most of the people, they don't actually like to discuss this about, is it's a fast and a speed game. Okay, you don't want to be just throwing money into something that not gonna be giving you return very fast. Okay, and that's what this business model allows us to do, that, right? I'm not saying like you're not gonna be able to make money with this business model if you just get focused, if you be patient. Yes, you gotta be patient in this business. This is like with any other business, you gotta be patient. However, if you master the craft, okay, it might take you maybe 1 month, 2 months, sometimes 9, 10 months, what actually took me. And if you just master the craft, and if you keep showing up, if you keep being consistent, right, you're gonna be earning income with this business model, and which can literally change your life. Okay, again, I like to tell you that this is not some sort of get rich quick thing. However, this is how I actually feel like this is a get rich quick scheme, and it's really changing so many people's lives. So if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity, you're missing out big time. I'm talking big time. Okay, so I'll just share with you my screen. I'll show you the inside, how much we actually made on this particular channel. And in the same time, we actually created so many different channels, and we just started blowing up across the niche, because we saw the demand and not many people were actually creating this kind of videos, right? So we made a lot of money very fast, and then once people started coming in this niche, we started leaving the niche. Okay, that's how we actually like to do things. We like to get into something, and start generating revenue within a very short amount of time. We like to just get in, and pretty much once we see something is actually dying out, some channels are actually dying out, we go and find some other different niche and jump into that as well, right? So let me share with you my screen, and also let me know in the comment section where you're actually watching this from, so I can better connect with you. And let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, we've got 3.6 million views. We started this channel, I think we started uploading maybe in September. Okay, and I'll also show you what it actually looks like from the outside this channel, right? So we were able to hit 10,500 subscribers within a very short amount of time, and you can see this channel wasn't getting any results, and we stopped uploading. We haven't uploaded anything for about 2 to 3 months. 3 months we haven't uploaded anything, because we found better niche which are getting more traction, and that's why we actually abandoned this channel. However, this niche is still in demand. So any of you who's actually wanting to get into this niche, it's a good time, good opportunity, and the demand is very high on these particular niches as well, right? Because there's like, this is like a political channel. There's always going to be news happening in this particular channel, so you can create videos on these particular channels. Okay, so which is awesome. So let me share with you month after month how much we actually made. So let's get into the revenue side of things. So pretty much you can see how much we actually made, and you can see like let's get into the back end, so I can show you the back end. So like you see, like we were uploading stuff. Hang on, let's see, let's go at the back. So October we made 15, then November went down to 5, and then we haven't touched this channel since December. So December, January, February, we actually in March. So we just abandoned this channel. And if I actually go in the front end of this channel, what it actually looks like, you can actually see the views that we're actually getting on the channel. So if I go to videos, if I go to oldest, let's go to oldest. So the first video that we uploaded on this particular channel got us 252,000 views. And then first video started hitting the algorithm. So you can see 252, 52, 100,000, 199,000. If I go to most popular videos, you can see 331,000. So and started hitting the algorithm very fast. Okay, so that's what's actually required for you to get results with YouTube automation channels, right? You want to get into something and it has a lot of demand, but there's not much competition. What we actually discovered in this particular niche, there was not much competition when we actually discovered this particular niche. Like, I personally don't know anything about this particular niche, but I have team who actually create this style of videos, and they have a lot of in-depth knowledge about this particular niche. So what I actually did, I pretty much gave them video ideas. They started creating thumbnails, they started creating the videos and everything, and we started uploading. First video, we hit the algorithm. I got excited and I said, okay, let's start pumping content on this channel. So first 2-3 months, it was exciting, made a lot of money, took the money and put into different channels. Okay, so started pumping and started creating different assets, right? Because end of the day, even though your YouTube automation channel is actually working, you want to have a different assets you want to be acquiring. Okay, it can be different niche which has low competition, where you can actually dominate the niche, or you can just take the money out of YouTube automation and pump into different assets. It can be real estates, it can be stocks, it can be like so many different things. You can actually buy different businesses, passive income business, because the more passive income assets that you own, the more you're going to be protected against, like, in case something happens. Okay, so just want to let you know. And something else that I also came across, like, I've actually been doing this sort of management, like money management, so I wanted to share with you, and you're gonna be finding a lot of value in this. So most of the time when people actually get the money, right, like, I'm not some sort of financial advisor, but this has actually worked for me a lot, so that's the reason I wanted to share. But like, always discuss with your CPA, accountant, and like financial advisors. Like, I'm not some sort of financial advisor, but the reason I'm actually sharing this with you, because it actually worked for me. Okay, so the 10% of your income, like, majority of the time that the poor people, what they do, they think the main purpose of them making money is to pay bills. Okay, they get the money and the money actually goes out straight away. They actually pay the bills, and like, they're just living day by day, week by week, what we call the rat race. Okay, so that's what's actually happened. But how rich people actually think about money is, how can we actually use this money to be able to distribute this money where money can make more money for them, which is awesome, and which is how the rich people actually create their wealth. Okay, so every time that you get an income or money coming in, 10% of that you should be giving away to charity. It can be going to helping, it can be anything. You can give to charity, or you can do like donation on your church or whatever religion you actually believe. 10% of your income actually can be going towards giving. Okay, 10% of your income should be going into buying passive income businesses, or starting passive income income streams. Okay, it can be YouTube automation channels. Okay, so every income that you get, you should save that 10%, and you should always be buying like different assets where that assets can be producing you more income. 50% of your revenue should be going to necessities. Okay, it can be mortgage, it can be paying your bills, it can be anything, right? Paying all your day-to-day expense, like, can be paying for your internet connection, can be paying for your phone bill, can be paying for your car that you actually buy, right, off the loan, pay off the loan. Okay, so 50% of your income should be going towards that. 10% of your income should be going into your education, so investing into different coaches, mentors, programs, going to seminars, buying audiobooks, all these things to actually invest into yourself. Always 10%. 10% of your income should be going towards having fun, guys. Like, if you don't have fun, there's no point of earning income. Okay, should always be having fun. 10% of your income you should be saving always, and end of the month you should be blowing this income, so have fun, go out there, buy the things that you want to buy. And 10% of income should be going towards saving, so can be saving for holidays, can be saving for your kids' college education, can be saving for buying a brand new car, so can be anything, right? So these are the things that I actually do, and I wanted to share this with you because it actually worked for me. So if you take this and start implementing, it will definitely work for you. So let me know in the comment section what you thought about this, and if you have any question, I'll be happy to reply to you in the comment section. And also you're gonna get a link in the description where you can actually get inside our free school community where I actually give free value, and if you want to work with me one-on-one, you can actually reach out in there. So again, thank you so much. If you have any question, you can put in the comment section, but I'll talk to you soon.